So what we have learned? Firstly, we select the text or graphics whose formatting you want to copy. Firstly, we have selected that text or graphics whose formatting that you want to copy, and then we have to click on the Format Painter button on the Home tab in the Clipboard group. In the Home tab in the Clipboard group, the pointer changes into a brush shape. Now we have dragged the brush over the selection of text or graphics to apply the formatting. The formatting attribute of the previous text will be applied to the selected text. I think you all have understood the concept of Format Painter. Next is how to apply superscript and subscript. So what is superscript? Firstly, we have understood this. The superscript option places the selected text slightly above the baseline. The superscript option places the selected text slightly above the baseline, and on the contrary, subscript option places the selected text slightly below the baseline. सुपरस्क्रिप्ट क्या करता है? हमारे सिलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट को बेसलाइन के ऊपर रखता है एंड सबस्क्रिप्ट हमारे सिलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट को बिलो द बेसलाइन पर रखता है. So superscript means selected text slightly above the baseline, and subscript means selected text places the below the text line. So I just take okay. I just write here A2 plus B2. Okay, A2 plus B2, and I just want this 2 above the baseline. Okay, I just select this two which you want above the baseline, and here in the Home tab in the font group, here you find two options, subscript and superscript. Subscript and superscript. So I just select this two and I just click on this superscript. See, now it is above the baseline, and I just want again here superscript C. This is A square plus B square, and I just write one formula H2O. Okay, and I want this 2 below the baseline. Then I just click on the subscript, and I just click on the subscript. This is below the this is below the baseline. I just again take more example. A3 plus B3, and I just want this. Firstly, I just increase the size so that it's visible to all of you. Yeah. So firstly select this, and then just click on the. Oh, sorry. This is superscript. H2SO4. Okay. If I want this in this subscript, then just click on the subscript below the baseline, 4 below the baseline. Okay, and I take one more mathematical expression, A3 plus B3. Firstly, I just convert. Okay, I just want this 3 above the baseline. Oh, there is some problem here. See here, this is the superscript. This is the superscript. Basically, superscript function is used in the mathematical calculations, and subscript is used in the scientific calculations. Okay, so this is about superscript and subscript. If you want above the baseline, then you use selected text above the baseline, then you use superscript, and if you want selected text below the text line, then baseline, then you use subscript. Next is finding the text. If you want to find some particular word from the paragraph, then you use the find feature. Microsoft Word provides the facility to search your document using the find feature. So I have written one paragraph here, and I just want to find items word. Then I don't know where it is in this paragraph. So firstly click on the home tab and then click on the editing group. Firstly click on the home tab, then in the editing group, here you find one option, find. Okay, find, and the shortcut of find is Control plus F. Just click on it, find option, then find and replace dialog box will appear. Then what you want to find what, आप जो भी वर्ड फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं आप यहाँ लिख दीजिए. राइट द वर्ड दैट यू वांट टू फाइंड फ्रॉम दिस पैराग्राफ. फॉर एग्जांपल आई वांट टू फाइंड आइटम्स वर्ड, आइटम्स. ओके, so if you want to highlight that word, then I just click where items is written, I just highlight all and find it. Yeah, close. See here the word with items. Oh, sorry. Again I am trying. In the home tab, in the editing group, here you find option, and then just write items I want to find, and then I want to highlight also, and then just click on close. See, there are two words items are here which we find using find option, and it is highlighted also. And if I want to replace this word with any other word, then I use the replace. I just click on replace and find word items and replace it with picture, for example. Replace all, replace all. Okay, okay, and see here the word with item is replaced now with picture. Okay, so this is the basically what is the function of find and replace. Now we find another word, like I want to find look. I just click on in the home tab, in the editing group, find option is here, but I want to find look, and I just click on the highlight text, highlight all and close. See, the word with look is now highlighted. Okay, so this is the find feature. If you want to find any word in the paragraph, then you can use this find option in the editing group in the home tab. Then I just use replace button. If I want to change this look with the looking, okay, look, I just want where look is written in this paragraph, it will change by looking. So I just click on replace all and okay. Then in your paragraph, look is changed into what? Looking. I just again find looking. Is it change or not? See, now look is changed into looking. Okay, and it is visible to all of you. So this is the function of find and replace. So what replace do? Replace button changes the current search word with the new text given in the replace with. Replace button only replace the particular word that is selected, but replace all find out all the words similar to that and change that words with the new text at once. It will change all the words that are similar, that we have searched, and change all the words with the new text. And find next button will highlight the next occurrence of the text that it searches. Cancel button is used to close the find and replace dialog box. If you want to close the find and dialog box, then you just click on the cancel button. So this is all about find and replace. Okay student.